Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, if you're thinking of buying something from Hanman UK, maybe you saw a great deal and now wondering if it's too good to be true, don't worry. Let's take a closer look at what this site is really about and whether you should trust it with your money. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Hanman.uk or hanmanuk.com claims to offer affordable fashion, but right now, the entire site is locked behind a password wall, which is odd for a public store. This immediately raises suspicion: why would a legit e-commerce site not let visitors browse freely? According to malware tips, the site is potentially fraudulent, with warnings about fake product listings and unfulfilled orders over on Trustpilot. The situation doesn't look any better. The site only has one review rated 1 out of 5 stars, warning others that it may be a scam. That's not a lot of data, but what's there isn't good. There's also no clear contact information, no real company background, and no verified social media accounts. These are usually signs of pop up scam sites that might disappear after a few weeks of scamming customers. Now, for the final verdict right now, Hanman UK does not appear to be a trustworthy site. The locked homepage, lack of transparency, and poor feedback on Trustpilot make it hard to recommend. If you're looking for affordable fashion, you're better off sticking with established retailers or verified sellers with real reviews. Hope this helped. If you'd had any personal experience with hanmanuk.com, good or bad, share it in the comments to help others out. And of course, hit like and subscribe if you want more real, no fluff online store reviews.